Today I'm going to show you a SEO trick which I've been using to grow my client's website and my websites alone. So what you want to do is you want to go to the Semrush or Aetoria. So here what you want to do is type in your domain name under the domain overview, or you can also go with the organic research. You want to type in your domain name. Now what you want to do is you want to select a location which you want to rank on. Let's just say I want to rank in the United States. Now here I can see all the metrics: traffic share, backlinks, paid traffic search, and organic search traffic authority score. So here I have all these details, but the really number one important metric which I want to see is organic search traffic. And now we have a little button right here called view details. Now I could click on it and it's going to take me to another page which has a keyword information. So you can see right here, jump to organic research. Now what I can do is I can scroll down a little bit, and here I can see all the keywords and positions, right? So we have total 59 position changes, and I think it should be 800 keywords. So all right, so what we want to do is we want to find the keyword difficulty low and getting high traffic. Okay, so here you can also see the volume. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter with organic, just organic, and I'm going to look for changes in SERP. So we can also look that, but I'm a little leave. So we can see the organic traffic, okay, organic keywords. Now you need to understand one thing. So if I make the traffic difference, okay, if I type this high to low, you can see +4, -3, right? So when it's positive, you need that keyword is really giving authority to the domain. Example, automatic blogging, auto blogging, like we have -3 change lost. Now the second thing what you want to do is you want to try to find a way to combine these two keywords and improve this traffic difference. Now how are we going to do that? You simply have to write blog articles on this keyword and include this, okay, mainly focus on this keyword in this blog. Example, so I can just copy this. So let me just copy auto blog, and I can go to Journalist AI, the very own AI SEO writing software, and here I have a bunch of options right here. Now I can simply click on SEO article, and here I can input the keyword which is auto blog. Okay, so auto blog. Now I can give the title looking for auto blogging, SEO auto blogger, SEO AI auto blog software. Or I can remove looking for SEO AI auto blog software. I can add keyword, and here what I'm going to do is, so let's just wait, let's just load, and here I have it has been prompting to generate article, and I can click on generate article. Now once it takes less than a minute to generate article. Now what I'm really trying to say is this. So once you generate this article, okay, so once you generate this article completely, what you want to do is Journalist AI has AI SEO editor inside this software itself. You can go to the software and try to add this keyword. Now let me just copy this keyword on, so let's just say AI content writer. So let's just select this, and auto blogger, we need this. All right, here we go. We have got the entire article right here, you can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to the editor. So inside the Journalist AI itself, we have edit with AI. I can click on it, and it's going to take me to the editor page, and here at the beginning I can select this, and it will ask me three options. Okay, one is a rewrite, and one is add keyword. So here I'm going to add the keywords, remaining keywords which I want at the beginning. Okay, now you can simply hit enter and it's going to start adding keywords inside this paragraph at the beginning. Accept. All right, accept. So that's it, and this is your article. So we have nice beautiful headings, images which are AI generated, but I prefer designing with Canva my own images. But again, it's up to you, and we have got the nice table. And if I go to the end, we can see the FAQs. Okay, so these are really good FAQs. I can post it directly, we can integrate the site right here under the integrations blog automation and give it a tags, and you can also see the meta description has been generated along with the featured image, right? Even with the alt text. So it's just a single click AI SEO writing tool. With that being said, like this video and there will be a link to this software, and catch you on the next one.